ROOT, stock analysis, and root stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. A Root Incorporated stock, from first glance, just absolutely delivering. I have called out thousands of correct predictions on my YouTube channel for free, spent 5 figures on courses and mentors over the last 4 years, and documented all of it on my YouTube channel. With the Root, it's absolutely, I mean, I'm loving it. Like, to be very frank, beautiful trend. One thing that I'm going to say is that I'm looking to double down on this already moving bullish trend. And one thing that I mean, the way that I will capitalize is wait for the price to give me the rules. Now we have, like, we're so close to this demand zone, but still, unless I see the price giving me a double break shift, then I'm just not going to take things up. Like, ultimately, that's that simple. But if there is that shift, me happy, me buying. Now, honestly speaking, yes, my rules must be met in order for me to continue to move forward. So if you want to make more money trading in a very simple and lean way, you can just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.